Did you know that some stocks offer the potential for capital gains and pay you money just from owning them? That's right, we're talking about dividend stocks. And in today's video, we'll share the top dividend investing stocks that can help you achieve financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, dividend investing can be a great way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. But which stocks offer the best dividends for financial freedom? And what do they entail? Without further ado, let's get started. Number 7, Home Depot Incorporated. Home Depot is one of the top dividend investment stocks available, and it's not just your typical home improvement company. The company has grown to be a household name and a go-to location for all your home improvement requirements, with over 2,200 stores across North America. Starting with the fact that it consistently reports excellent earnings and revenue growth year after year, the business has a demonstrated history of financial success. The company's net income in 2021 was $15.8 billion, a substantial improvement over the year before. But that's not all. Home Depot offers investors a tempting dividend yield. The company's dividend yield as of March 2023 was about 2.9%, more than the S&P 500's typical rate. They also have a strong track record of raising dividend payments, with a 10-year dividend growth rate of 21.4%. Why then does Home Depot rank among the best dividend stocks? One is that it is a successful business with a solid financial foundation. The company also appeals to income-seeking investors due to its high dividend yield and track record of raising payouts. Yet, success for Home Depot isn't just about the statistics. It's also a result of its dedication to innovation and customer service. The business has made significant investments in digital platforms and e-commerce, making it simpler than ever for customers to shop online and access a variety of goods and services. Number 6, Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is the only dividend stock you need to consider if you want something unique and dependable. It's one of the giant healthcare corporations in the world. They're involved in a wide range of healthcare-related industries, including consumer health goods, medical devices, and medicines. As well, their dedication to innovation makes the company unique. The business makes significant investments in research and development, focusing on creating innovative medications and goods to enhance the health and wellness of people everywhere. Indeed, the company consistently ranks among the most innovative businesses globally. They have paid dividends to its stockholders for a very long time, since 1944. The company is referred to as a dividend aristocrat, meaning it has increased its dividend payout for at least 25 years, in addition to paying dividends. Their dividend yield as of March 2023 is about 2.99%. The company has a strong balance sheet and produces a sizable cash flow, enabling it to engage in growth prospects and tactical acquisitions, in addition to paying dividends. They have survived and rebounded from the economic downturns thanks to their financial stability. Johnson & Johnson is a fantastic dividend investment for investors who appreciate dependability and innovation. It's a wise choice for anyone trying to establish a strong dividend investing portfolio because of its focus on creating innovative treatments and products and its long history of paying dividends and financial stability. Number 5, AbbVie Inc. AbbVie Inc. is a firm you should unquestionably pay attention to if you're interested in dividend investing. The company specializes in creating cures for various illnesses, including cancer and autoimmune diseases. Its dedication to R&D sets them distinct from other pharmaceutical businesses. The company makes significant investments in creating novel cures and treatments, which has helped them keep a competitive edge in the market. They have a robust pipeline of fresh medications and therapies, which is encouraging for the company's prospect for long-term growth. Their dividend yield as of March 2023 was about 3.95%, which is much higher than the S&P 500's median yield. So far, they have a lengthy history of growing its dividend distribution to shareholders, making it a dividend aristocrat. Going deep, their finances are solid and steady, with a sizable cash flow and a good balance sheet. Moreover, AbbVie is well positioned to continue increasing and expanding its range of medications and therapies because of its emphasis on research and development. It's an outstanding dividend stock, partially because of its dedication to its shareholders' returns. The business has a proven track record of giving its shareholders value through dividends and share buyback. This dedication to maximizing shareholder value has assisted them in retaining a base of devoted and helpful investors. Without a doubt, AbbVie is an excellent option for dividend investors seeking a business with solid financials, a focus on innovation, and a dedication to shareholder returns. Number 4. PepsiCo Incorporated. PepsiCo Inc. is unquestionably a company to think about if you're searching for one that pays out dividends and has a significant position in the food and beverage sector. With operations in more than 200 nations, PepsiCo is a multinational food and beverage corporation that sells a variety of goods, from Pepsi and Gatorade to well-known snack brands like Lay's and Doritos. The company has a considerable competitive edge thanks to its broad range of products, enabling it to weather consumer preferences shifts and adjust to various markets. Their dividend yield as of March 2023 was about 2.62%. Also, PepsiCo has increased its dividend payout in the past and has been a stable dividend payer for more than 60 years. What makes Pepsi one of the best dividend investing stocks is that 1. The business's finances are sound and steady, with a healthy balance sheet and stable cash flow. The company is also well positioned to weather economic downturns and shifting consumer preferences thanks to its global presence and broad product line. Then comes its dedication to sustainability. The business has established lofty sustainability goals and is well on its way to fulfilling them, including procuring 100% renewable electricity and cutting greenhouse gas emissions. This dedication to sustainability meets the rising demand for environmentally conscious businesses and contributes to the company's long-term profitability. The company is unquestionably well worth considering for your dividend investing portfolio due to its wide range of products, global presence, and emphasis on sustainability. Number 3. Kraft Heinz Company. If you enjoyed classic food brands like Kraft mac and cheese and Heinz ketchup, Kraft Heinz Company might be a dividend stock to look into. It's one of the top worldwide food and beverage companies. They have some of the most famous brands in businesses under them. The brand is a mainstay in kitchens all around the world because of the line of products, which range from frozen meals and snacks to condiments and sauces. The current dividend yield is over 4.27%. As well, the corporation has a history of raising its dividend payouts and has paid dividends steadily for over 100 years. But why exactly is Kraft Heinz Company one of the top dividend stocks? To begin with, the company has a solid basis for ongoing growth and sustainability because of its well-known brands and extensive experience in the food and beverage sector. Kraft Heinz Company also made efforts to reduce costs and streamline processes, which helped it perform better financially and set itself up for success in the future. It's important to remember, though, that Kraft Heinz Company has seen some difficulties lately, such as a fall in sales and a write-down of the value of several of its brands. Nonetheless, despite these difficulties, the company's outstanding brand portfolio and dividend history make it an appealing option for dividend investors seeking a balance between stability and growth potential. It's a company well positioned for future success because of its iconic brand portfolio and dividend yield significantly higher than the S&P 500 average. Number 2. Mobil Corporation. One of the biggest publicly traded firms in the world and top energy provider is Mobil Corporation. Mobil is unquestionably a stock to consider if you're searching for a dividend investment with a long track record of reliable dividends. The company has increased its dividend payout for over a century. They have increased its dividend payout for at least 25 years, and it's a member of the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats. ExxonMobil now pays a dividend yield of almost 3.51%. The company's emphasis on providing value to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks can be partially credited to this high yield. When it comes to its activities, the company focuses mainly on the exploration, production, and sale of oil and gas. Although the energy industry has recently suffered specific difficulties, ExxonMobil's solid financial standing and overall business operations assist in reducing some of these risks. So, why should you think about buying ExxonMobil as a dividend investment to achieve financial independence? To begin with, it has a long history of steady dividend payout and dedication to returning wealth to its shareholders. Moreover, ExxonMobil is well situated to profit from the continued increase in global energy demands as one of the biggest energy companies in the world. Of course, it should be noted that purchasing stocks carry some risk, and the energy industry can be unstable. However, Mobil Corporation should be considered if you're searching for a dividend stock with a potential for long-term development. Number 1. JPMorgan Chase & Company. It's no surprise that JPMorgan Chase & Company is one of the most well-known financial firms in the world. JPMorgan Chase has almost 200 years of expertise and is a reputable name in banking and investment services. They have a long history of returning dividends to investors despite turbulence in the economy. JPMorgan Chase has also been extending its business recently to incorporate new sectors, including wealth management and digital banking. This has made it easier for the company to diversify its revenue sources and open up new growth prospects. Dividend investors seeking a dependable, well-respected corporation with a proven track record of performance should strongly consider JPMorgan Chase & Company. It's an excellent choice for anyone trying to create a solid and diverse investment portfolio due to its consistent dividend payouts and ongoing development. JPM now offers shareholders $4 per share or 3.15% annually. In the last 5 years, the company has raised its dividends 3 times, and during that time, its payout has increased by 11.71%. And that's it for today. Which of these top dividend investing stocks caught your eye? Are there any other companies you think deserve a spot on this list? Comment down below. Remember to hit that like button and to subscribe. See you in the next video.